big wad right here, that we're gonna get these. Kill him! Oh my God!
I'll kill him. Right these in the hole.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another one. We're back in the Pacific Northwest hunting with the homies at home here, and we have a hopefully dang good one. This was a absolute monster feed. Tons of wigeon, maybe a few mallards, maybe a few pintails, but mostly wigeon. And we're hunting them my absolute favorite way this morning. It's underneath the tall socks. It's literally my favorite way to hunt these things. We had to adjust our original plan this morning because there was a lot of water in here, and we came out and a lot of the water drained overnight. So we're set up kind of surrounded by we went to the highest spot, surrounded by a little water hole, and we have enough decoys to kind of just like make our own X, I'd say. I think we're running like 85 or 90 dozen. Lots of tall socks to hide the blinds, and we're gonna be sitting in probably like 2 inches of water, which sucks, but you know what? We just gotta deal with it. It should, this hunt, I think a lot of people will forget about it once these birds start working. So we're almost finished. We just gotta set the last of the widge and see how she goes this morning. I'm hyped for it. Widge action, baby.
What's going on, everyone? It's been a little while, but last time you saw me was in Scotland. Now we're on the complete opposite side of the world, pretty much. We're in the PNW with our boy Judy. We're gonna be doing a little bit of wigeon hunting. I'm stoked for this. This is the first time I've ever been up here with Judy, and I'm excited to get on some wigeon. We had a little bit of a walk out here, had to hike through some nasty wet terrain, hike all the decoys out, but we had the guys for it and it went pretty quick. So we're gonna get the spread set up. Hopefully we can have a good hunt this morning, but I'm pumped.
Kill him! Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
Oh
my God!
Kill him! Yo! Dude, this is disgusting, dog. Kill him!
Let's go.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my God.
Nuts. We have there's quite a few people hunting today, so we got screwed on some flocks. You know, we're working them, someone shoots and they flare off, but no, we're getting ours too, so widge action, baby. Hey, right here. Kill him!
Ooh, that splash when they hit the water.
Right up the gut.
Oh yeah.
Kill him! I'll get that one. Big wads in the morning. Now we're just picking on the like 4 and 5 packs, dude. Lots of mallards showing up now. That's been pretty good. Kill him. Yeah, let's do a little pickup.
Quite a few out fjording around, I think.
Here we go. Kill him! Oh yeah! Kill him! Oh yeah! Yeah, those did her up nice. Where did this reach go? Hey, big wad right here, right here. We're gonna get these. Kill him! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That was dirty. Oh, those did it so good, dude. That was a good little wad. Kill him! Oh jeez!
One wave! Yeah, boy!
That was dirty.
Yo, that was nasty. Kill that wedge! Or not.
Ew.
Yo!
That
Yo, how far was that from your barrel? Kill him! Oh my gosh! Yo!
Oh,
Yo! That was dirty. I just dumped all three into that.
That was a good one.
Yo, that was sick! That was dope. Yeah, they just side skirted like crazy. Kill him! Oh.
That was greasy, dude.
Oh, that thing's got a sprig, son.
There we go. Four more. Four more, baby. That one had a...
Kill him! Oh, yeah!
Oh. Right, one on the right.
Kill it!
Kill it. Go kill it. Yeah! That's a hundo.
That's a hundo stack right there. And the nasty, wet P&W, baby. Dude, that was gnarly. Calling her at 100. It got nasty and rainy. And we're gonna clean up, take a pic. 100 birds, baby, in the P&W in the grass. We lost actually all of where we're standing right now was completely underwater yesterday, and now it's just gone. So made her work though. That was fun. Wrapping this one up, we hit the 100 mark. Oh, I love shooting 100 birds, man. That was awesome. A ton of dudes out here, all our friends. Shout out to Kyle. He texted me last night. It was looking pretty bad, and he's like, "Hey, I just found a field that we gotta go look at," and it was just absolutely stacked with widge. And we actually shot more mallards than I thought we were going to. So it was like half widge, half mallards. The first wads were just insane, just monster widge wads. Just letting them have it. We got Lucas and Colin out here from Minnesota too, so they got to experience the P&W wetness smash fest out here in the grass, and we pulled her off, man. That was great. We ran a big spread hiding under the tall sogs, and I think 4 or 5 wing spinners out here. We had to use full string ones, we can't use electronics, but they were doing it up, let them have it, and now we're picking up, and it is downpouring, so we're trying to get out of here, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.